Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's IT class. Now, last class we discussed again some grammatical topics. We discussed about the topics such as active and passive voices. Now today what we are going to discuss is pronouns. Now let's first look at the definition of the pronoun. Everybody know, but just have a look on that. You can say as a word that can function as a noun phrase used by itself and that refers either to the participant or to someone or something mentioned elsewhere. So what does the definition says? The definition says that a word that can function as a noun phrase used by itself and that refers either to the participants or to someone or something mentioned elsewhere. So this is a definition of pronoun. So today in this session we are going to learn how to use pronouns, and there is another one term called reflexive pronoun. Now what is reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun is if I'll give you an example, there's like myself, ourselves, themselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, and itself. So these are all reflexive pronouns. I'll repeat it again. Myself, ourselves, themselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, and itself. Now reflexive pronouns are usually used in three kind of situations. It is always used in three kind of situations. What is the situation? The situation number one is when the subject and object are the same. When the subject and the object are the same. It means, if I want to give you an example, it is like I heard myself, where the subject and the object are same. The next situation is as the object of a preposition when the subject and object are the same. As the object of a preposition when the subject and the object are the same. If I have to give an example, I will give you as like that man is talking to himself. As an object of a preposition when the subject and the object are the same. So it is like that man is talking to himself. This is an example of this type of situation. And the number third situation is when you want to emphasize the subject. When you want to emphasize the subject. First subject is when the subject and the object are same. Next is as the subject of a preposition when the subject and the object are the same. And the next is when you want to emphasize the subject. Now for this, if I have to give you an example, I would like to give as uh, they ate all the food themselves. They ate all the food themselves. So this is when you want to emphasize the subject. Then the example will be something like this. So this is all about pronoun. Just go through this and try to understand. You have to do some assessment questions based on the topic called pronouns. Please try to do those questions and give me your reply as soon as possible. The next what you're going to start is simple past tense. Next topic is simple past tense. Now simple past tense is, here we're going to, everybody is very much familiar with what is called simple past tense. It is used, loved, loved. These are the simple past tense. So this session we're going to use how to make use of simple past tense. It's something like, if I'll give you an example as, I used to listen eagerly to her. So used is here simple past tense. Similarly, if I'll give another one example, my grandmother loved to narrate the story when I was young. So here loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved is a simple past tense. Then if I'll give another one example as, it was a very tiring journey. Students, can you tell me what is a simple past tense here? This is a simple past tense. Next, if I give you an example, the journey exhausted me. Can you tell me what is the past tense here? Yes, you guessed it right. The past tense is exhausted. So this is two very simple topics what we discussed today. The first one is called pronoun, and there we have reflexive pronouns. These are the different reflexive pronouns what you have in your syllabus. The three situations where the reflexive pronouns are used. Then next what we discussed is the simple past tense. These are some examples of simple past tense. Now based on this, everybody have to do some assessment questions. They are very simple questions which I'm going to give you. Please try to answer these and please reply me back as soon as possible. And with this I would like to request each and every student to please send your homework. I'm getting very few response as a homework completion. I request everyone to finish it soon. Thank you everyone.